one is sick, the prayer is not shortened, whereas a sick person is both sometimes mentally and physically worse off than one who is on the journey.
But in other way, the conditions are relaxed to the extent that a sick person is in some ways even more licensed than a person on a journey. For example, if somebody is sick, to the extent that he is sick, he is relieved of his obligation, and the threshold of his energy determines how he should say the prayer. If he cannot stand, he can sit down, no problem. If he cannot sit down, he can lie down and say the prayer. If he cannot move his limbs, he can say just by the nod of the head. Even if he cannot nod his head, he has to recite the prayer, that is all. If he cannot recite it, in his mind he can ruminate on the prayer, essence of the prayer and so on. So this is a beautiful way of treating the sick. Because with sick you cannot define sharply how far one is sick and to what extent he should be given this license. So according to the standards of the sick, this treatment is completely in accordance with the situation. Yes, please.